What's up, everybody? Welcome to Legendary Box Breaks. I'd like to thank everybody for joining us tonight. We are doing a box of 2013 Finest Football. The time is now 6 o'clock, so we're getting ready to get started. I want to remind everybody that in this box we will be doing serial number cards, refractors, and autographs. They'll all be given out. So, got all the names put in the randomizer here. Some of that glare out of the way. There we go. Randomize. Then we'll do it one more time, mix them up real good. A little copy and paste there. I'll do a slow run through here and then we'll actually print out a list and I'll go through it real slow so you can see who you've got. Alright. There we go. Now if Eric just remembered to plug the printer in this time, we will be set. Up. We got Kenny Powers and Ron Burgundy for good luck. I'd like to wish everybody good luck here. And here is the list. See if I can get it focused in here real quick. There we go. First time. Closer here. Got some familiar names on here, and we got a few new people. If it's your first time, welcome. And if you've been here before, welcome. Alright guys, away we go. See, the boxes are empty. Packs right here. Okay guys, wish everybody good luck. Again, serial numbered, autographs, and memorabilia cards are what we'll be doing now. I don't know that they do straight up memorabilia, so it'll be all autographs this time. Alright, we've got base, 5 base cards. Need a big hit, guys. Come on. More base stuff. Not numbered. Shiny card though. To remind everybody, you can join us on Facebook under Legendary Box Breaks, and we're also on Twitter under Legend Box Breaks. Check us out on there and like us and share everything you see. Alright, so far no good. Shiny but not numbered. I believe this is the one right here. Good luck, everybody. Go this way. It's gold. Ooh. Oh, Jonathan Franklin. I was thinking it was Eddie Lacy there. Number 25 of 50 to the Green Bay Packers. Goes to Troy C. Very nice hit there, Troy. Sorry, I thought it was Eddie Lacy. Nice card nonetheless. And I just said nonetheless. I've never said that word in my life. Okay. All right. That's what it is. All right, guys. We need something big out of this box. Come on. Not getting any numbered stuff. Need a super pack or something out of here. I see gold. Number 28 of 75 for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Zachary D.
Goes to Zachary D. A gold refractor of Doug Martin. Nice looking card there. There's number 28 of 75. 2 packs left. I believe the last pack will be the good one. Appears to be a bit thicker than the rest of them. Yeah. Pack is crazy thick. Alright guys, good luck. I think we got a patch. Nice looking card. Aaron Dobson for New England Patriots. Autographed patch rookie.
James W.
That goes to James W. It's a good looking patch autograph right there. There we go. There's base, base, and base. Well, guys, I'd like to thank everybody for joining us again. Be sure to check back on the website later. We'll be putting up a box for next week, and we'll see you next time.